Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows 10 and system readiness. Do this now. Download a reputable live wallpaper app and save the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator to avoid permission issues. Make sure to accept required components and optional visual effects if you want motion. While installing, close other heavy apps to reduce install time and conflicts. You'll see prompts for startup behavior. Choose what fits your workflow. Then finish installation and prepare to launch the app. You now open the live wallpaper app and pick a scene from the gallery or import your own video or GIF. This is where choices matter for performance. Once picked, configure scaling, playback loop, and whether audio plays. Make sure to mute if you prefer silence. Adjust quality or frame rate to balance visuals and CPU/GPU usage. Choose lower quality for laptops on battery. Also set whether the wallpaper pauses during full-screen apps, so games and presentations remain unaffected. You finish by enabling Start with Windows if you want the wallpaper persistent, and arrange scenes across multiple monitors. Make sure to save profiles for each layout. Once set, monitor Task Manager for CPU or GPU spikes and let it run for several minutes to validate performance. If you encounter lag, stuttering, or black screens, try lowering quality, disabling overlays, or restarting Explorer. These steps often resolve conflicts. Finally, make sure updates are allowed for the app, so you receive fixes and new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.